how to fix your microphone picking up background noise. So if you have an external microphone plugged into your computer and it's picking up background noise, I'm going to show you how to solve this. Now the first thing we need to do is just come down to the bottom right hand side of the taskbar and go and right click on the volume icon. You can then click on sound settings. You can then scroll down to input and make sure you have your microphone selected like this. Now next to the gain, you want to make sure this is set to around about 90%. Now once the volume is set to around 90, you can scroll down this page and then click on all sound devices. You could then scroll down to your input devices and go and click on your microphone. Now scroll down again, and at the bottom of the page you'll see these audio enhancements. Go and click on the drop down arrow and you can go and set this to voice clarity. You'll then see voice focus, and this will automatically reduce the background noise. So just click on this drop down arrow and make sure it's set to on or automatic. Now the final thing you want to do is make sure you're using the cardioid setting on your microphone. Now depending on the model of mic that you're using, you should have a setting that looks like this on the microphone, and this is called the cardioid setting, and basically what it does is it blocks out sound from the back and also the sides of the microphone, and as long as you're talking into the front of the microphone, all of the other sounds is going to be blocked out. So those are 3 different ways on how to stop the background noise on your microphone. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.